Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am in the Baruipur district of South 24 Province, West Bengal, where the guava farming is the industrial scale farming here, and all the West Bengal are fed with the guava from here. I am showing you all details. I am showing you the fruiting of the plants. As you can see, I am these are the all the fruits. You can see very small fruits, and some of the fruits are covered with the plastic bags, and these are tied around all the when the fruits grow around 1 inch diameter. The fruits are all bound in a plastic. This is the all mature fruit, totally mature fruit, as you can see, and beautiful fruits all are ready to harvest. And you can see these are all plastic bound, and until they are totally matured and the harvesting time, they are kept in plastic. They will be protected from the birds or from the eating of the bats, so they do not attack here and do not damage the fruits. And as you can see, and hundreds of acres of lands are cultivated here, the guava planting. And in commercial guava farming in Baruipur region of 24 Parganas district of West Bengal has been pretty success over the fruits because of their low maintenance, very little investment, and in very high fruit yields. So moreover, nowadays people are more and more interested in eating these fruits, and therefore a huge demand in the market. So these are now grown as a cash crop in the Barupur region. As a cash crop, they need very little fertilization and can grow well under both irrigated and rain-fed conditions in the tropical and subtropical countries. So as you can see in the land here, most of the area and between the cultivation of these or the fruits, little bit of land is kept open, and therefore all the other crops are grown. These are potatoes are grown here, and the aeration is all the done here with these gaps here. And as you can see, these plants are all bush type and 8 feet tall, and all are made bush. And sometimes all the cutting and pruning and done in every year, or and there are special techniques to grow special new branches for pruning. And in each year, in each plant, you can grade at least 50 to 60 kilos of fruits from here. And this is the technique how they grow. Very little care is needed and very little fertilization needed, and irrigation is also needed very low. And therefore this is the huge area of huge success of growing the guavas. And I tell you, the guavas are the most popular tropical fruits which are grown all over the world. Guava farming is very easy, need very little training expertise. Besides, guava farming requires minimum plant care and management during the entire growth period, and the pesticide application is also very low. So this is gaining much and much importance in the area, and the farming is needed all small training, very little of expertise. And as you can see, you can grow it, and in the between the fields all are small groups. And this is the beautiful fruit and totally ready to be harvested, around 200 gram or 250 grams and weight. And this is the highest demand in the market, and all are beautiful fruit, as you can see. And all are beautiful quality and beautiful variety of guavas here. This is a scene from the another garden, and this is the another farm of guava farming. And I tell you, nowadays farmers follow the high density guava plantation, that is HDP, along with appropriate plant density. They use the quality planting material, canopy management in the field, support, pruning and farm management skills with appropriate inputs to obtain an excellent yield from the guava cultivation. There are lots of variety of hybrid varieties available in the market, especially from the Elawad variety. There's a very sweet variety and all a very good quality of production. With this planting method, one can grow more number of plants and later in higher production. As a result, HDP technology, that is high density guava plantation, there is maximization of unit and yield per hectare, that is yield per acre also. It also fetching a better price also. And these are the eaten as a raw or fresh, or maybe eaten as a all the jam, jelly, and many things are produced from the guava, and these are excellent fruit. This is the third farm I am visiting. This is the third one, and you can see the production here is much more guava production in this farm, and all are better managed here. And you can see lots of plastic packets are bound on the fruits, and all are very fresh and excellent plantation here, excellent management of, you can see, and hundreds and thousands of fruits are here in Guava, and these are all commercial production here, and many people here rely on this crop production, and they'll earn their livelihood from this production. This is the fruit around 250 grams around weight, and this is mature enough and full, and I am trying to pull it out, and this is, I have broken it here, and I am taking it, open it out, and just showing you how the fruits look like, and just, and you can see this is the guava. I have just plucked it from the here, removing the, opening it up, and this is the fruit, beautiful fruit around 350 gram, and just see how the fruits are grown here, especially in the Baruipur region. So friends, I have shown you all the guava plants here, lots of in the Baruipur, full of hundreds of acres of lands are covered with all the guava planting, and all the Calcutta and the rest of the Bengal are supplied here, all the guava from fruits from here. So they, besides guava, they also cultivate here lychee and the star apple, water apple, Java apple, and lots of plums also. They are cultivated here especially for the apple bear also. So this is all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give a lot about the various fruiting plants and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.